In this video, you will learn how to install projector headlights on a 2011 and up Toyota Corolla. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the hood. Now go under the front bumper and remove 4 10mm screws shown here. Remove 2 plastic clips located behind the lower grille. Next, remove 2 more plastic clips located in the fender well. On the top of the front bumper, remove a plastic clip, a Phillips head screw, and the 10mm bolt on either side of the front bumper. Towards the top center of the bumper, we will remove another plastic clip. Let's go back under the bumper to disconnect the fog light harness. Now we can remove the front bumper. Next, we will need to remove a 10mm bolt on the side of the headlight, then 2 more 10mm bolts towards the top of the headlight. Undo the locating tabs toward either end of the headlight. Now we can remove the headlight and disconnect the headlight harness. Remove the corner light sockets and plastic mounting brackets as you see here. Remove the light bulb from the corner light socket. Next, we will install the corner light sockets and plastic mounting bracket onto your new headlight. Connect the headlight harness to your new headlight, then place it in the stock location. Now we can replace everything in reverse order of removal. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.